It was a chilly Thursday all throughout the Upper Peninsula. You can see with the ALMANAC right now, 40 degrees was our high on Thursday. We got down to 28 for our low, so below average for this time of the year. And you can thank at least the high to all that cloud cover and those winds yesterday, because we're about 14 degrees below average for this time of the year. Nowhere near a record of 77 degrees for our high, 18 for our low, and the days, as you notice, are less than 11 hours of daylight. For our highs on Friday, though, they have began to rebound nicely, even though the winds continue to be the main story for today. Temperatures into those upper 50s, especially towards the east, 57 in Munising and Escanaba and Iron Mountain, 52 in Marquette, 59 in Ontonagon. But like I mentioned before, the winds have been the main story now on our Friday. Winds all the way up to 20 miles per hour in Marquette, 16 in Munising, 16 in Iron Mountain, 10 in Houghton. There is gale watches and warnings in effect for Lake Superior and Lake Michigan going into your Friday night and into your Saturday. So do exercise caution if you are going to do any boating or beach activities. As we look at what's ahead going into your weekend, you'll notice that it's going to be a lot more cloudier tonight, and that's also going to help those temperatures rise more than they were last night. So about a 20-degree jump on those overnight lows as you wake up Saturday morning. And with that, we'll see wetter times ahead also for your Saturday, so do have that rain gear with you. Conditions are going to improve somewhat on your Sunday, but overall, even starting on Sunday going into Wednesday, it's going to be very unsettled as we see some rain coming back into the picture for Monday and Tuesday. But first, your Saturday, high pressure in control off the coast of the Atlantic, really making very gorgeous Saturday all throughout the I-95 corridor, so all the way down from Maine to down to Richmond. Very excellent drive. On I-75, very warm, especially with those southerly winds going down from, say, Saginaw all the way down to Knoxville, Tennessee. So very nice, very warm temperatures ahead of the frontal system. But in the UP of Michigan, the showers are marching in. The rain gear will be the main story on your Saturday afternoon. As we go into your FUTURECAST, we'll take a closer look at that. The clouds are beginning to build in as we go into the nighttime and into the overnight hours of your Saturday. The rain will really march in very late into your Saturday, but do have that rain gear with you. That is round one of the rain. Sunday, we'll see a break in that rain, so we'll have a mixture of sun and clouds and still very warm into those 60s. But by the time we get into your Monday, that's really we're going to get round two of that rain. And it's still going to be warm even going into the beginning of the work week, but we are going to get a mixture of that sun and clouds in the next 3 days. But Sunday will be the better of both weekend days. For tonight, 49 degrees, very warm, 20-degree jump compared to where we were last night. That's being helped also by the southwest winds up to 20 miles per hour. Tomorrow is still going to be a blustery one. So wind gusts up to 35 miles per hour with that rain. So it's not really going to feel fun out there with that rain coming through. It's going to be a blowing rain with those winds coming out of the south up to 20 miles per hour. But temperatures very warm though, almost 10 degrees warmer than they are on Friday, and about 25 degrees warmer than we were on Thursday. 64 in Crystal Falls, 65 in Houghton, 61 in Marquette. As we look at the next 7, as we look at the day planner, we take a closer look on your Saturday. We'll start out with some scattered showers early on at 49 degrees, become more widespread by the afternoon at 61 degrees. And by the time we get into the evening, we'll still have some of those showers continue to linger more early on. After midnight, conditions will improve. Sunrise does occur at 8:08 a.m. And going into your next 7 days, Sunday will be a nice break from all the rain going through between Saturday and Monday and Tuesday. But once again, just have that umbrella with you starting on Monday until at least Wednesday when conditions finally improve. But by then, the temperatures are going to take a noticeable drop going towards the end of the work week, where we go into the mid-40s and below freezing.